How to upload an image on GhibliArt AI. Are you guys facing issues to upload an image on your GhibliArt AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for GhibliArt AI. After you enter the website, now simply tap on the Stripe Free button. Once you click on it, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see the option for upload image. Click on it. Once you click on it, now browse through the image that you want to edit on. After you select your image, now tap on open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna upload an image on GhibliArt AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.